Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing 1, 2, 3. 10 years ago in Pune, I was just a student. But tonight, I am back at Pune Design Show 2026 as a media partner. Tonight we are at the preview night where I'll be meeting the brains behind this show. And in this vlog across 3 days, I'll be showing some of the best minds curated the best design 35 under 35, Pune Heart and few more allied events. The products you may have not seen. So watch this vlog till the end. Stay tuned.
Seriously,
Hi ma'am.
Hi, Sagar, when did you reach?
Like few minutes ago.
Okay,
I met
cool.
Tushar sir
Okay, good.
and tomorrow we'll be needing you for a reel. ये रील आज के आज पोस्ट होनी चाहिए.
कधी पासून बघत
6 वर्ष झाले आता. हो.
was your initial
Hey, hi. So, woke up in the morning, had some beautiful breakfast, and now we are moving towards the venue, which is Silver Palace in Hinjewadi, Pune. I am excited because I could not see two areas, which was Pune Heart and 35 under 35, where I'll be exploring those particular things. So, in this vlog, you're going to see that. Tomorrow, there's more exciting stuff coming. So, let's go. So, we finally landed at Pune Design Show. So hey guys, we are at Workshop Arena at Pune Design Show and we have Sapna with us. So tell me how you involve nature into your practice.
Okay, so the today's workshop was based on flower hammering on the material that I had provided. So we had handmade paper, we had a tote bag, and we had a handkerchief.
I saw some of the work and that was amazing. Thank you for the small bite. Hi ma'am, Sagar.
Yesterday I saw somewhere and I couldn't place it. And today when I don't have
So we are at Pune Heart where they are celebrating artists who are doing contemporary and traditional work. So let's go and see it. So I will show you something amazing. I'm looking at some detail. Let's go and ask what it is about. Hi. So can you tell me what this is actually?
So the product name is FTFS.
Okay.
The backing is high density foam.
Okay.
इसपे fiber mesh आता है. So the designs can be done according to you. Just give us a design. It can be made because we have created this all designs.
Okay.
So these are CNC cut stones that you can see.
Oh, this is stone. I thought it's
Yeah.
wood, but this is something very
Exactly.
unique. So Tuja, I really like this chair where I'm sitting. Can you please tell me how you created it?
Absolutely. So what we're trying to do is all these scrap fabrics which come out of the garments, they go into landfill. We take all these fabrics, we segregate them into colors, and then we make such baskets.
Hi Anuja, I am Sagar. How are you?
Good. How are you?
So can you tell me the inspiration you get to create such beautiful things?
So basically, as I'm an architect, a lot of artworks are inspired by architecture, and few from my travels from Bali. In architecture, there are a lot of textures that you can see from hand. That's why I kind of did texture art more.
So hey guys, we have architects from Japan, Yui and Taka, who are from Tezuka Architects. And ma'am and sir, thank you for the wonderful keynote presentation. I know everybody has loved it. And I want to ask you a few questions. What do you think about India and how the architecture of India has evolved through your perspective?
So it's everything is a mystery to us. But it's a good thing about India is that something unexpected things happens. Okay, and that is what we can't get anywhere in the world. Even in Germany, everything expected from beginning. In Japan, everything in order. In India, everything changes. So somehow we get the destiny. Like that is India.
Yeah, I like India a lot because when we were very young, we used to travel a lot in India for a long time. I feel the diversity. So yeah, I like India a lot. And
Thank you so much for the interview.
thank you.
Thank you. So today we attended workshops, we attended conferences, and we went to Pune Heart. But now it's time to talk about products. Let's go. So I created a reel on this particularly. If you are a long time follower, you must be knowing what kind of content I created. You can see these flooring tiles which is made up of wood. I created a reel on that. I'll also add a link so that you can watch that. So good thing about all these booths in this particular exhibition that these booths are designed by architects and interior designers themselves. One thing I love about architecture is model making. We spent a lot of time in our college making models. Look at this facade, and if you zoom in right here, you see that same facade 3D printed here. So amazing. Tired. Day one has ended for us, and I hope whatever you have seen, you have liked it. But wait. But we have 50% more exhibition to explore today. We'll be going to 35 under 35, we'll be going to Creative Minds, we are going to convention, listen to international and Indian architects, and explore some more brands. So stay tuned till the end. This is our last day at the exhibition, but it was fun. So I'm looking for more projects and I'm seeing that these are wonderful projects here. Let's stop and look at this project particularly. So hey, Gargi and hey Sahil, can you please tell about your project?
So actually, we have the honor of presenting our own studio on this panel. So the cool thing about this is actually a 40-year-old building, and it's kind of adapted to our lifestyle and our use and where we're going as a practice.
We have been collecting art since I think we were graduated, and finally we got a place to put it up.
All of the art, all of the artifacts and the stuff surround us, what we love, and that's actually what makes us creative.
This is not a regular brick, it is made from sandstone. It's very cold as well and very comfortable as well. And now I am here, and finally I think she's here. I think we'll cover something now. So she's from Mustard Design, and let me tell you, okay, it's coming out. It's made from straws.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya from Mustard Designs. So these are the rye straws. These are stems of a rye crop.
Okay.
So if you see, it has got its own natural shine to it. There's no external coating or anything that is done. And the possibilities are endless. We do custom cabinets, wall panels. It's a natural eco waste which we turn into beautiful furniture and designs.
So finally, I am getting time to speak with the curators of the show, the Pune Design Show, architect Tushar Kothavde and Chiranjeevi ma'am. How did you think of curating this show?
So when we started, I wish I could have curated this as well. So the curation idea of this entire Pune Design Show came from our exposure, our experience of travel to various shows across the country. We wanted to create a platform which is a common ground for architecture, interiors, and landscape all come together and talk about design without all kinds of glamour associated with it. It is purism at its best, is what we had perceived it to be. We are glad that 2 days have gone and things have fallen in place so far.
So our intention was only this, that Pune should benefit with whatever little we have learned. And the entire curation process was humongous, I would say. It's been 9 long months that we have put in.
Something you want to say about FIARC and its work at Pune Design Show?
I have seen Sagar's journey. I'll tell you, Sagar, honestly, this is not for the media, but every time I see you up there, you recently presented at NASA. Uh, I don't know, somehow I have this very proud feeling. It just brings in a different energy. It is very, very humbling, very touching to see the growth that a person can have. And you realize your dreams in one way or the other. And this is just a sheer example of it. So, I should thank you, Sagar.
We have one energetic interview now with the organizer of the show.
What did you like the best? One of my favorites is Sagar Sauji coming here, checking out all the zones and doing this for the show. Thank you so much from the heart. What was your favorite?
For me, I think me growing in this city from an architect student, now coming back and looking at how architecture has evolved differently, that really made me special. And even in my videos, I'm using that. After a decade, I'm in Pune and I'm doing something amazing which I've never thought of.
Yeah, I did something different. I ended the interview asking him a question, Sagar a question.
Thank you so much, sir. Woo, woo, woo. Ah, yes, Pune Design Show. What an amazing experience. This is my first year and the second edition of Pune Design Show. But the energy is amazing, man. I'm using amazing word a lot. I met few of my friends, few of the designers, few of the architects. I love the work, I admire, and I met everyone. The show is on for another day, but I would be leaving, and I think you must have seen everything we have covered. I hope you like this video, and if you have any feedback about it, please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe this video. More vlogs to come ahead, and bye bye. I'm signing off.